What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding Tesla part 2. In last video, we put the car together, replaced the rear bumper, and the car is perfect as far as the bodywork goes. But we're stuck in the position where the car still doesn't run and drive. So I reached out to everybody. Appreciate for all your guys' support and try to help me out, dropping all the comments. So I called Electrified Garage, Richard for bills. I called the whole United States. I talked to people on the East Coast, on the West Coast. I talked to people in Germany, in Ukraine. Nobody knows what's going on with this car. A lot of people say if this would be a S or an X or a Y or a 3, no problem, they could fix it. But unfortunately, this vehicle is too new. It's a 2021 and they changed completely the whole system on this one, because the other cars are usually 300 horses, 400, but this is 1,000 horses and they changed the whole system. So we have no choice but to take it to the dealership, Tesla dealership, and have them go through the car and try to figure out what's going on with it. But this is where we at. Service center is on its way to pick this up and hopefully we'll hear back from them soon. But yeah, sucks. Unfortunately, this bad boy does not want to drive just yet, but we'll figure it out. So for now, it's going to the dealership and I'll get back to you guys once we hear something or once we're ready to go and pick up the car. Tow truck just arrived. First we got a flatbed, but they weren't able to load it up because the car is too low, the front end. So this is what it looks like. So he is going back and we got this one. So they'll hook it up and then they'll put dollies in the front and tow it. Oh, poor Tesla. Come on, let's get you back on its feet so we could drive you around. They're gonna take you to a Tesla dealership and hopefully we'll get some answers in a couple of days or so. There goes this Tesla. Just got the best news ever. Tesla dealership called and said, Vlad, your Tesla Plaid is ready to go, fully charged and ready for pickup. Woohoo, man, that's the best news ever. So let's go and pick it up and we'll see how the Plaid drives for the first time and how fast it is. We'll take good old Ben, always comes to the rescue. We're finally gonna go pick up the Tesla, man. It's been a while, huh?
5 months.
5 months, crazy, the time flew.
October. I forgot we even have it.
Right? But it's finally ready and they covered a lot of things by warranty as well, so which is really cool. So we're gonna go pick it up and Ben's gonna be the first one to take that bad boy for a spin.
Got full coverage already.
Got insurance, so we're ready to go. Hopefully we're not gonna crash that monster. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna take it professionally and slow, very responsible. You ready?
Oh yeah.
I'll see you guys at the Tesla dealership. We have arrived at good old Tesla. And the Tesla is finally here. And alive. Check it out. Woo. No lights, no nothing. Wow, I love it. Perfect. Look at this beauty. Wow. Let's go back to the shop and wash her up and take her for a real test drive. And we got Mama in the Plaid. I want to take my neighbor Mark. You've been in the fast cars, right?
They're more like drag racing cars, like 1,000 power, you know.
So I'm picking up my parents from the airport. So it should be fun. I'm getting the drag strip mode on. This is where it gets really, really scary.
Is this the fastest car ever made?
On the production as of right now. And it says we're ready to launch like a rocket.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Start him. Oh.
Oh shit! Oh shit! No!
Holy crap.
Oh my god!
My dad actually hates going fast.
Ой, эй! Чё? Одурел, что ли? Ты перепугаешь нас?
No.
Wow!
And no.
Crazy, huh?
That's got some power, man.
Ой, ну Бога, ай.
Wow!
That's literally a roller coaster. Should be illegal.
How insane is that?
That is extremely insane.
Yeah, that's insane.
Ты прекращай дурачиться. Что ты, ребенок, что ли?
My dad didn't like it.
Why didn't he like it?
Too fast for him. But would you expect that from a Tesla?
Unbelievable! That is monstrous acceleration. Wow.
Did that take your breath away?
I was like, okay, I need to breathe, I think.
This car is scary.
Wow!
Just tunnel vision, huh?
Oh my god!
Вова, ну не надо, ну плес, ну плес.
That's literally like roller coaster type shit. That's insane.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah.
100 miles.
God damn, that's quick. Yeah, okay.
That's fast, huh?
That was like insane. Nothing like I've ever seen.
And you've been in a Porsche Turbo S, and you've been in a Ferrari.
Yeah.
Raw power.
Oh, that's a beauty, man. I've never experienced that.
It just takes your breath away.
Dude, this car should be illegal.
Right.
I used to think that, you know, cars that were this fast, you needed to get a special license for.
No.
Yeah.
You've been in the fast cars before,
Not
right?
like this.
But this
Not
is
like
your
this.
next level.
Fastest car I've ever been in was my brother's Z06.
I'll let you know
when I buy something faster than
Yeah, let me know.
I think. Thanks, dude.
And no sound, no nothing. That's the trippy
That
part.
is what's weird.
You just hold on to the steering wheel. I guess that's why they made the steering wheel, so you
Hold
just
on like
hold
that,
on to it. Вас надо прокатить на
Не
камеру.
надо мне это. Зачем мне это
На
надо?
YouTube будете.
Мне не нравится.
Dude, this car is like...
Crazy, huh? There you guys go. Mama approved it.
Продай эту машину, не есть.
Все, продаем. Told you guys he's not gonna be too happy. He's like, what the hell is wrong with you? Why would you even drive this fast? But it was the funniest thing ever. I loved it. Just to see the reaction, you know? I don't drive like that every day, but just on this. And I didn't even do like a full send. That was like a little teaser. Just in the regular mode, because I know he'll be furious if I would do the drag strip mode. Oh, that was funny. Today is a beautiful Saturday. I'm working at the shop and there's a rally going on today, not too far away from us, 30 minutes. And my friend Sergey is going to be there. So I'm gonna go over there, say what's up to him and see what's going on and maybe go on a little cruise with them because they're gonna start from Orange County and then they're gonna head out to Las Vegas. So I'm just gonna do a very short cruise with them, say what's up to everybody like I said, and I'll take you guys with me. So we'll take the Plaid and have some fun, you know? So let's go. Alright, we're pulling up, we're about a mile away. So it should take a couple of minutes to get there and we'll see. So this is like the meetup point. And then they're all heading down to Las Vegas to party, have some fun. Unfortunately, we can't join them. Gotta work, but we'll just say what's up to everybody for now. Beautiful Saturday today, nice and sunny. 72 degrees outside, well, it's warm. Brother Dimitri. All right, it looks like a full event. Lots of people. Look at this electric truck. Sheesh. What do you guys think about electric trucks? Comment below. Ooh, look at those cars. And this is Sergey's car. Real life exotics. Ready for Ukraine. That's the new GT3. Wow, looking good. Let's go inside of the museum, check it out. But man, a lot of nice cars. But this is some kind of a museum. Never been here. This what's up, bro?
Please like and subscribe my channel.
We got you, we got you. Check out this collection. Oh my goodness. Wow. Check it out. Ferrari. We'll do a quick walk around and then I'll do some few cinematic shots for you guys. But look at this Ferrari. Woo! And then we got the race cars, of course. Wow, 1975, 77. Oh my goodness. What a garage. This is what kind of garage every man dreams to have. I personally wish to have such a garage. They even got a Bugatti in here. Wow, look at this Bentley too. 94, it looks like brand new. We got Viper, Ferrari, look at that muscle car. Fully rebuilt, beautiful HRE wheels. Look at this car. That's insane. Wow, that's crazy. Mr. Sergey, is this one of the cars that you rebuilt?
Yeah.
What was wrong with it?
Don't ask, man.
Everything, huh?
Show him.
I scanned the VIN number.
It's just cosmetic.
Just cosmetic. Easy fix for Sergey.
Look at this.
Holy crap, that thing was destroyed. Wow, so front and rear. So it got sandwiched in, huh?
Full front.
Wow.
Suspension, everything.
No run and drive.
Yeah, right. Run and drive.
Wow, but it came out good. All the gaps are perfect. Sergey
went shopping.
Wow, Sergey is a rich man. YouTube pays you well, huh?
Yeah. All money from YouTube, man.
Man, I gotta step up my game. So if you guys want expensive toys and expensive clothes,
Play hard, yeah.
you gotta do YouTube non-stop. But yeah, it came out beautiful, like nothing ever happened. I guess I'll just go with you guys for a little bit.
Давай.
I got my Plaid over there outside. I'll follow you.
Yeah, for sure.
Everybody's ready to head out. We'll do a little cruise with them, not gonna go too far. Just around the neighborhood, and then I gotta go back home. Here we go. I got Serge in front of me, real life exotics. Bro, you want to race?
Oh, yeah, let's race, man.
You think you have a chance?
Yeah, for sure, man.
They closed the traffic for us. Woo. How crazy is this thing?
Is that the Plaid?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, no wonder!
Yeah, I'm not gonna be the slowest guys today. Well, that was a lot of fun. So they all went to Vegas. I just kind of followed them to the freeway and I'm heading back to the shop. But that was a lot of fun, a lot of cool cars and a lot of fast cars. But this Plaid was pretty fast compared to the other cars, so I was pretty happy. I wasn't the slowest guy. I was the most quietest car ever, but it was the fast one. So time to go back to the shop. We'll do a couple more cinematic shots of this beauty. And that's a wrap for this build. Just got back to the shop and man, this was a lot of fun. This car could get you in a lot of trouble, let's just put it that way. Super fast and you always want to just do a full send, pedal to the metal. That's where it's gonna get you in trouble. So we're officially done with this build. Everything works, car drives amazing and couldn't been happier. So let's do a quick walk around and take a look at this beauty. Check it out, look at this beauty. So everything is done and the only thing we did pretty much just replaced the rear bumper and rear body and that's it. The paint, everything is original except for the rear bumper, but this is the beauty. Look at this, speechless. And I love that it's all blacked out, just looking super mean. The only thing I would do, tint the windows all the way around and that's it. And maybe I would get some wheels to like, cause they're kind of kicked in. See, they need to be more aggressive, like up to with the fenders. But that's about it. I washed her yesterday, but from today's driving, kind of got a little dusty on me. That's why I love black color and I hate black color. It's nice when it's clean, but it gets dirty real quick. We're officially done with this build. This Tesla is for sale, so if anybody's interested, let us know. We'll be more than happy to sell it. It's a 2021 with 1,800 miles. Clean title, clean Carfax, clean auto check, still under factory warranty. Let us know, this beauty is available. So thank you guys once again for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!